Have you been working on manifesting something? Well, here's 7 signs that your breakthrough to attracting what you want is near. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. Number 1, the universe begins to speak to you through other people. Yeah, the universe begins to speak to you through other people. So it's like you've been imagining yourself attracting a soulmate or a new house or a new car, and it's like some guy comes over to you and he's like, "Hey, was that you out in front of that house putting the trash out there on that really cool street over there?" And you're like, "Huh? No, it wasn't me." But it's this street or this area that you've always really wanted to live, and your friend thought that it was you, or he thought that he saw you in some new car holding hands with some man or a woman that you've been wanting to attract into your life. The universe will speak through other people. Or maybe the universe will say something like, you've been wanting to write a book and you've been planning it out in your head, or you've been wanting to get the book going and you've been imagining it, and someone says after you're talking to them, "Man, you should really write a book." Or maybe you've been working on attracting more money into your life, and somebody says to you, "Man, you have the best way of thinking about abundance." And it's off of a remark that you said. The universe will use other people to speak through you to confirm that you're on the right path, because life primarily works through signs and symbols. And since the universe is a higher intelligence, it's a non-physical intelligence that animates our world, it'll use another person to confirm that you're on the right track. And so if you ever hear those types of synchronicities, coincidences, or just kind of odd head scratching happenings from somebody else, it means you're on the right track. Number 2, you sense it coming. You sense it coming. Like, you just have this weird feeling, you can't explain it. It's just like, I know it's coming. Like, it's just like, even if you look out and the evidence is kind of to the contrary, maybe you've been trying to attract a new house and something bad happened at your current one, you lost the mortgage, or you're renting it and the landlord turned out to not be a nice person and you had to leave. Or maybe you've been working on attracting more financial abundance, but you got fired from your job, or they demoted you or something like that. And so the evidence is opposite, but you have this unexplainable feeling, it's an internal feeling that it's coming. That's called intuition. That's called God speaking to you. That's called the universe speaking to you. And so it's this feeling that you sense, but that you can't explain. Because the future isn't determined by the present. And when you can sense that thing starting to come, and it's like, I don't know why, but I'm feeling it coming, you know you're on the right track. And it's just a matter of keeping going. But what happens for most people is they say, well, how can I believe those thoughts and those feelings in my head when I look outside and I see the evidence that that's not happening? And they let their outer world control their destiny. When you sense that feeling, allow that to guide you moving forward, because that's going to be the bridge to allow you to attract what you want into your life. Trust yourself. Number 3, dreams. Yeah, dreams. A lot of times our dreams really, they don't make much sense. It's our subconscious mind and a bunch of images that have been locked in there, and they're just kind of plopping themselves back out. But I've noticed in my life, a lot of times before something really good happens, I'll dream about it. And so what I invite you to consider is to try to start actually even practicing using it. They say we're asleep for roughly about a third of our life. And before you're going to bed, start to step into the image of what you're attracting into your life, and use the dream space to actually be a space where your unconscious mind is put onto what you want. Now, you may wake up in the middle of the night and it's some random thing, or you may wake up in the middle of the night and it's your biggest fear about the opposite of what you're wanting to attract. That's simply your subconscious mind releasing the fear out of you, so there's no need to worry about that. but often you'll notice in a dream state that what you've been wanting to attract is showing up in a dream, or it's showing up in the opposite as this fear of it not happening. That's the subconscious releasing the fear. So oftentimes you'll see it in dreams. Number 4, deja vu. Have you ever before had deja vu and it was almost like you were already there before? Or you were having this weird form of deja vu where you had like imagined your dream or your desire or whatever you're wanting to manifest, and you were walking into the grocery store and you felt like it was about to happen, but then maybe it didn't actually happen, but it felt like it was about to happen and you were having weird deja vu about it. So life is simply a hologram of the images programmed in our subconscious mind. And so what'll happen is the universe will give us glimpses of what's about to happen before it actually happens. It's because everything's a projection of our own consciousness. And so if you're having deja vu or you've been having deja vu, what it likely means is that you're right on the precipice of a new shift of something greater coming into your life, of the thing that you've been working on attracting. And so don't give up yet, you're almost there. Number 5, you get happy for absolutely no reason. Just get happy for no reason. The fact that it's just like, yeah, I'm cool, I'm alive, I feel good today. I feel amazing today, I feel great today. You're happy for no reason. Most people need a reason to be happy, but if you need a reason to be happy, then what you're doing is living in reactionary consciousness, and your happiness and joy is subject to the world outside of you. If you're living from creation consciousness, you're happy for no reason, and when you're happy for no reason, you're in a position to attract more of what you want. What's happening is this deeper part of you knows that what you want to manifest is already coming, and so you feel this sense of joy that consciously you can't describe. I guess I'm happy for no reason, but on a deeper level, it's you moving more in alignment with your true self and what you're intending to manifest in your life. If you're happy for no reason, continue to be happy for no reason. Look around and enjoy the beauty of life instead of looking around and saying, yeah, but look what time it is. My thing hasn't shown up yet, and look at my bank account, it hasn't shown up. No. When you're happy for no reason, what's actually happening is you connecting to the energy of what you desire so that you can bring it about into your life. Number 6, people start hating on you. Because the universe doesn't give you what you want all the time until you grow to a new level. And so sometimes you'll have people hating on you, friends, family members trying to talk you out of your dreams. Why? Remember in the early part, the universe will use other people. It'll speak through other people to help you evolve and to help you grow. And so if you're facing opposition from somebody in your work, from a family member, from a friend, from a stranger, take it as a sign that what the universe is saying is you are so close to what you want to manifest, and I'm going to throw a couple things in your road just to see if you have the consciousness that can truly create and embody what it is that you intend to manifest. But what happens is people get into this place where they forget the previous signs that they see, and then they have some opposition, some negativity, someone hating on them, someone doubting on them, and then it causes them to try to explain themselves or to overthink it. You don't need to explain yourself to anybody. You do not need to explain your dreams, your desires to anybody, and they don't even need to get it. You just need to feel it. They don't need to get it. You just need to feel it. You feel that it's true, and it doesn't matter if they don't get it. You recognize that that's a sign from the universe for you to step and stay into your power, because what you want is very, very, very close. Number 7, last but not least, you have a sense of calm that you can't quite understand, and maybe other people don't even get it. And what that is a sign that you've let go. When you're in a place of holding on, you actually are in a place of lack of confidence. When you have this like weird sense of calm, it means that on a deeper level that you can't consciously understand, you already know that what you want is totally on the way. Now, someone else might be like, look, why are you so relaxed right now? You gotta work really hard. Come on, you gotta make it happen. Come on, you gotta do it. And you're like, You know, I'm gonna take the inspired actions as they come to me, and I'm gonna keep moving forward, but I already know it's coming. I don't need to fret, I don't need to worry. Now, other people don't understand that. They're like, hey, work hard, do this. But you have this deeper sense of calm. And quite often, that's misunderstood by other people. That's okay, there's no need to worry. When you have that deeper sense of calm, it's like the negativity, the haters, the doubters, the challenges that show up, the things that don't work out, they just don't really even seem to bother you anymore. Someone cutting you off on the road, a random stress in the day, a detour that takes longer for you to get to where you want to go. It's just kind of like, it's all good. I know everything's coming. And sometimes people worry when they're like that because we're addicted to worry, and we're addicted to thinking that we need to control everything. And like when you have this shift in consciousness, and you stop trying to control everything and worrying about everything, you think, well, do I not care anymore? No, it's not that you don't care, it's that you know on such a deep level that you can't quite understand and articulate it, that what you want is coming. You know for a fact that your breakthrough is on the way. And that's what I invite you to remember and consider. What you want is closer than it appears to be. It's like the rear view mirrors. What you want is closer than it appears. So, funny, huh, Jake? And so, what I invite you to consider, last but not least, is this. Train your subconscious mind. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind, because as you're waiting, what happens is subconscious programming will speak negativity and doubt and what have you. Train it to go away. Train it for abundance and prosperity. jakeshypnosis.com is totally free. Use that every day in the meantime. And remember, you deserve what you desire. People will say, well, we don't deserve anything. No, we do. Why would we not be here? We deserve well-being, joy, and abundance. Sometimes we have to go through difficulty to get there, but that's the purpose. The purpose is for us to realize ourselves as creators, to step into higher levels of consciousness so that we can realize ourselves as creators in this universe. What you want is on the way. Affirm it. What I want is on the way. What I want is already here. I believe in the good things coming. Download my free success hypnosis. Hit the subscribe button in the corner. Hit the bell notification as well, because that's what actually notifies you when new videos are coming out. I'll see you on the next video. Share this video with somebody you know that's working on attracting what they want into their life. Thank you for sharing, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and let me know where in the world you're coming from and any questions you have that I can ask and answer on the Ask Jake Show. See you next time.